Ata Maori e wanu, whanu, hanu, however you say it from whichever region you're from. So, today's kupu or today's place name, Morena koutou, ko karataku ingoa. Yep, anyway, today's kupu is, place name is Kaitaia. It's pretty simple. You all pretty much know how to say it correctly. You almost say it correctly. Kaitaia. Nothing hard. Just like saying flat tire. But you're saying kai tire. Alright, so repeat after me. Kai ta ia. So the hardest part in it is the last part, the aya. Aya, you gotta roll it all together. Alright, just like tire. As in a flat tire, you know, the tire on your car. Yep, but just don't say it hard, okay? So here we go. Kai, tai, aya. Kai taia. Kai taia. Kai taia. Kai te pai. Kai taia.